Alright, so with any good bike refurbishment, you want to work with clean parts. So the first deal is to wash it.
She wanna hit the beach and show her titties down in Key West. Someone leave her crying all the time and now she finally out of Kleenex. Sick of dudes not giving her the respect, cause really she a genius, a CEO. Trying to be on top alone, she don't keep them close.
After washing it, you're still gonna have some gunk spots here. That's when you're gonna get a microfiber towel. You're gonna make sure you get into those crevices to finish cleaning it up. But it cleaned up pretty nicely. I'm gonna get this done. Be right back.
After
I remove the wheel, I'll get that extra gunk. But you can see what I could get with the towel. I did get with the towel, etc. Alright, see ya. Watch out for part 2, 4, 5, 6, and however many more it gets.